have 1 more minute time.
Just forward the message, they'll get to attend.
Yes.
Good evening. Somebody Krishna is saying good evening. Weather is good today. Luckily,
Yes.
no rain.
That's what I was about to say. Raghupati, the background is very good.
I'm top of the floor.
The sky and everything.
Yes. Now only, madam, just I came up. Because till yesterday it was raining, no?
Yeah. Relief.
Yeah, really. Just I'm enjoying the sea.
Raghupati stays at Warangal, madam.
Okay.
So, yeah, we are seeing in the news, right? Continuous rains since 2 weeks.
Yeah. But digitally, India has become, world also, but for us also, it has become like very easy to communicate now.
Yes, ma'am. That is really helpful in this COVID situation.
Otherwise,
without communication or without this infrastructure and IT, this would not have been possible.
It wouldn't have been possible, actually, yes.
Really, it is comfortable now.
Yeah, okay, madam. Let me start. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Please start.
Yeah, once again, good evening to all. So, I hope everybody understand about today's program. Anyway, once again, good evening to and welcome to today's webinar. So, this webinar is conducting with support by Amita Sharma Garu, trainer from Pink Circle Foundation, and our chief guest, District Employment Officer, Srimati Maitri Priya Madam Garu. And also, these kind of programs we are conducting regularly from the last 2-3 months because of pandemic situation. So I hope, hopefully everybody to utilize these programs, and also you can refer your friends as well as, and try to get the knowledge from the program, and you can also try to implement whatever you learn from today's program, because every time we are saying, we are explaining, we are teaching, we are training you, but you have to implement what you learn from the webinars. That is the most important. So the main focus of today's program also not only job provision. So every time everybody asking about job only, but no one asking about entrepreneurial skills. So this is a very important skills. And we want to implement, we want to promote the entrepreneurial skills as well as for the among the youth, and also for women also. So for that purpose, especially our district employment officer, Srimati Maitri Madam Garu, specially advised to provide the entrepreneurial skills for the unemployed youth as well. So we are conducting like district employment office, Hyderabad, conducting similar kind of programs for the benefit of unemployed youth. In that purpose, today we are here to support you. The main agenda and the main request to everybody to forward this useful information to your friends, your relatives, and job needy persons, because we are expecting good number for every time, but this is very because we are getting only 20-30 people only for every time, but we are expecting more than. So I hopefully understand what we are here today, and also now I would like to request our district employment officer, Maitri Madam Garu, to speak few words about today's program as well as advise the unemployed youth. Thank you, madam, and thank you, Amita Sharma Garu, for attending or conducting these type of programs. Really wonderful for your support. Thank you, madam, and I welcome to Maitri Madam to speak a few words.
Thank you, Raghupati. Good evening, one and all. A special warm welcome to Amita Sharma Garu for conducting this webinar. And we are very happy to invite you second time.
Yes.
And we always welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Coming to the candidates or the youth, there is no need to say, I think, what is the present situation.
Yes, exactly.
The present situation is very horrible, to be frankly, because if you go outside, it is life or death question with the corona and with the floods or whatever the reason may be. Okay, the present situation worldwide, not only in India, worldwide, it is very difficult. But whatever the situation, what we basically need is to live, money and food. food comes with money, and money cannot be attained only through job. It can be attained through any means. I don't mean to say illegal means, but legally, and what you can do justificatively, you need to work hard for anything you earn. Okay.
Correct.
Coming to what is the difference between entrepreneurship and a job? In a job, you will work under someone.
Exactly.
But coming to entrepreneurship, you are boss of yourself, and you can employ furthermore 10 people or 100 people, you are giving employment to them. Okay, that is entrepreneurship, where you are using your creativity, your skills, and your what do you say, innovative ideas, and
Efforts.
everything, and efforts. I mean, very good efforts are needed for anything you do. So all of them, you are going to employ it, and you are going to further improve whatever endeavors you are going to do. Let it be a business, let it be a self-employment, let it be a cottage industry or a homemade industry, whatever it may be. Maybe you are designing a web YouTube channel, you are showing something, that is also an entrepreneurship. Okay, whatever you do it with 100% dedication and 100% perfection. Except that nobody wants anything from you, because whatever you're doing, you are doing it for yourself and your family. Not, I don't get any benefit from them, not even Amita madam, nor Raghupati. Nobody is going to be benefited from anything. Okay, it is only you and your family who are going to get benefited. Coming to today's topic, madam is going to explain to us about learn and earn. Okay, as the name indicates, you have to first learn
Learn.
and then you can earn. That's all. Okay, easy process to earn something is to learn and implement. That's all.
Yeah.
Don't stop at learning only, just implement also, and you can definitely develop, grow, and also be a role model to other people. Okay.
Wow, very wonderfully said, ma'am.
Thank you,
Wonderfully
madam.
said.
Thank you. Super
Yeah.
message.
Over to Amita madam. Madam, you can start over. All the best, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you to the government of Telangana, Hyderabad, Maitri madam, especially Raghupati sir, actually for giving us all this opportunity to get connected each time with you. I don't want to count now. Second time, third time, I should come 200 time with you and say, ma'am, I'm excited to be part of this association.
Yes, ma'am. Whenever we connect, it is first time only.
Yeah, it is first time only.
Yes.
Because it's always a learning, and I love to love. I love to talk, and I love to enjoy, and also I want people to love and understand whatever is being told to them.
Yes, ma'am.
Maitri madam told very rightly. Don't stop with learning. Implement it. Don't stop with just learning and feel happy about it. And Raghupati sir also told, don't keep coming to webinars. If you are coming to webinar, learn from there and make sure that you are implementing something from there. Because వింటూ ఉంటే చూస్తూ ఉంటే చాలా ఈజీగా అనిపిస్తుంది, అది ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి కదా కదా అది ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలా లేదా? ఓకే, లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఫ్యూ బేసిక్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ గైడ్ లైన్స్ బిఫోర్ వి స్టార్ట్. నౌ we are digitally connected, we all know, right? So if at all there is any internet connection issues from any side, either my side, Raghupati sir side, madam side, or from your side, please come back. If I am getting disconnected, I will come back. If you are getting disconnected, you come back, because you have a very special announcement that is going to happen during the end of the session. So just be around, be excited, be sure that life gives you opportunities each time you miss out, but don't keep the habit of missing it, boss. Because if you say आज नहीं कल, अभी नहीं बाद में नहीं आता है, it never, tomorrow never come back.
Yes.
Right? Tomorrow will again become today, and again you'll give it an option tomorrow. So don't give that option. Yes, don't give that option. Today you take the chance, and this is the chance you should be. Yes, sir.
Unless until you take a decision.
Action, yeah. Until you take a decision. Very important. Before you listen and you implement is the decision part. That is the part which will make all the action happen. Until as you take a decision, life is always between a pendulum. You go, you come back. Again, you go, you come back. And you are just thinking what to do, what not to do, what to do, what not to do. So guys, don't wait. Okay. Now, I want to know what is the comfortable language with you all. So let me just know in the chat box which language you are comfortable with. Shall I go ahead with Telugu alone, English, Hindi, or some other language you want? Let me know. I'll try all the languages today. Let's see how many languages you people know. From which all places you have come. So, English and Telugu, Soumya says. Acha, ye naam bhi hai, ASUS. What's this name, guys? Why don't you give your name? Yeah, your parents must have given some beautiful names to you. Telugu and English. Telugu, okay. చెప్పండి సార్ ఏమో చెప్తున్నారు.
No, actually అది మనం బిఫోర్ చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను మేడం. ఎవ్రీబడి హ్యాస్ టు చేంజ్ ద నేమ్. చాలా
దే
మంది
కెన్ చేంజ్ నౌ. ఇప్పుడు కూడా మార్చుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోతే నాకు చెప్పండి నేను మార్చేస్తాను, నేను సపోర్ట్ చేస్తాను. ఉన్నాను కదా.
put your name.
అరే నేను మీ లైఫ్ ఏ మారుస్తాం అనుకుంటాం, మీ పేరు మార్చడానికి ఎంతసేపు కదా మేడం, ఏమంటారు?
Yes ma'am, definitely.
అంతే కదా.
Yes.
మన ఆప్షన్ ఏంటి, మనం ఆప్షన్స్ ఇవ్వకూడదు, మనం డిసిషన్స్ తీసుకోవడానికి ఈ రోజు ఉన్నాము. మైత్రి మేడం ఉన్నారు మనతో పాటు, రఘుపతి సార్ ఉన్నారు, నన్ను పిలిచారు, ఇంత పెద్ద ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అది ఊరికే పోని ఇవ్వాలా చెప్పండి, పోకూడదు కదా, పోకూడదు. పేరు మార్చడం నేను మార్చేస్తాను, లైఫ్ ఏ మారుస్తాం, ఈ రోజు మనం డిసిషన్స్ తీసేసుకుందాం.
Definitely.
So let me, okay, so Telugu English is comfortable, good. So if I switch over to Hindi, don't run away, be there. I'll come back. Okay, so right guys, to explain certain things we have to know certain, I mean, ideas. When we talk, when we listen, it gets more grasping power, right? So I've created a small PPT for you. I won't take a lengthy PPT, but it should be a healthy PPT. So I've created a small PPT with you. I'm going to share that with you so that you can understand something, at least if one point in next 45 minutes, even if you understand one point, that is a blessing for 3 of us, because we are giving our time and we are taking your precious time of your life. This is a life-changing moment, should be a life-changing moment for you. That's why we are called ourselves as life changers. I'll come back to that, so just be around. And as I said, don't go away between the session, because you have something very important during the end of the session. Okay, so wait for it. So with your permission, I'm sharing my screen. Hopefully you will enjoy the session further. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, madam.
Right. See, my screen itself says, learn and earn, invest in yourself. Very important. Why? Because our parents have told us to go to school, we went to school. Because our parents have told us to study, we studied. Because our parents have told us to get married. This is the cycle. When the child is born, he is sent to school, he or she is sent to school, then he or she is expected to go to college, then he or she is expected to get married, and she expected to again go back to the cycle, producing child, again they will go to school. How long will you go on with the same cycle? Doesn't work, right? You want to change, you have to change in your life. So if you think any stenographer jobs, Krishna Kant, why you want to work as a stenographer? You create your own job opportunity, my dear friend. Don't think of jobs, don't only think of jobs, there are many more options available. Think with your stenographer knowledge, what can you do? Get connected with us. We will let you know what better you can do with your stenographer. I think you know short and high end, right? Short end aata hoga aapko, because even I learned when I was in school, I learned typing. That was a mandatory at that point of time to learn typing. So I did typing high as well at that point of time. I did stenography ka short end bhi seekha tha. Whatever. So here it is very important. If you have learned stenography activity or knowledge you have, so you have invested in that. Now you see what is the best next you can do from it, instead of depending on somebody else to feed you. Already you have invested, right? So learn, you have learned already. Now it is time for you to invest the same learning and grow yourself and make a part of your earning. Am I correct? As I said, we call ourselves life changers. This is a very proud moment for us, because we have been able to change life of so many people. Raghupati sir is a live example with me, because he has been part of our journey, and he has seen, Maitri madam has seen how our people who are attending our webinars conducted by this organization particularly, especially, are changing their life. Out of 20, even if one changes, that is an achievement, as I say. And if each 20 of you are able to change it, then what miracle the world will be. Imagine yourself as a best changer of your family. Don't think about others alone. Don't think about the whole society. The society will keep talking, keep saying whatever you try to do new, you will be questioned. But because you are questioned doesn't mean you don't try, don't attempt. At least you are better than those people who have not tried it. Be proud of that. So are you ready to know? Are you ready to know that what changes you can do? Are you ready to know that what your education can do a change? Are you ready to know what exactly you should be doing with your learning? Guys, it is not a motivational session, but it is an extraordinary special session for you to change your life. If you want to change your life, only then we should go ahead, because this is not a time pass for each one of us, right? These people who are sitting there are not idle. These people who are sitting with me, you all, 25, 30, 40, 50 people, number is immaterial, friend. Even if one person is listening to me with his heart and soul, he will change. And if he is changing, that is what is an achievement again for me. Understood? Agree with me? So are we ready? Then go ahead. Why is learning important? Madam, why learning is so important? Yeah, learning is important because if you have knowledge, you will have confidence. If you have knowledge, you will enjoy doing that. If you have knowledge, you will enjoy and you do it with happiness. If you do it, then you are leading it. My dear friend, you have to learn to become a leader and not a follower. That confidence you will get only if you have got confidence only on that particular skill.
Yeah.
ఏదో వచ్చు, ఏదో చేసేస్తున్నాం, ఏదో వింటున్నాం, ఏదో చెప్తున్నారు, సర్లే ఇవాళ ఒక గంట ఇక్కడ టైం పాస్ చేసేస్తున్నాం అని మాట మీద వస్తే అది టైం పాస్. లేదు, ఇక్కడ విన్నాము, ఒక గంట వింటున్నాము, ఆ గంటలో నేనేం నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను, ఇన్ని సంవత్సరాలు చదువుకుంటూనే ఉన్నారు మీరు. ఓకే, చదువుకుంటున్నారా, చదువుకోలేదా? హ్యావ్ యూ టెన్ ఎనీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఆర్ నో? చదువుకున్నారా? ఓకే, లెట్ మీ నో వాట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ యూ గైస్ possess, ప్లీజ్. Your education qualification, if you are not sure, then let me know. MBA, BTech, Saiti, BTech. Do you do any job? Do you guys do any job? Then you can say, I am doing this particular job and I am done this education. Or I am idle. If you are idle, then you are most important, you are most beneficial. MTech, MSc. Wow, we have very educated crowd here. And you guys are doing any job? Or any business? Are you self-employed? Are you salaried? MA, BSc, B.Ed. Wow. Nagamani, Brahmaya, Muhammad Wajid. Sanjay raised his hand, but Sanjay, I will allow you to speak only during the end of the session. I can't allow you in between. Please be there. We will have a chat. We will definitely have a chat. But as I said, yes, you guys have so much of knowledge, guys. What are you using it for? What is that you are doing? Are you still asking for a job? Sorry to use, but are you still begging for a job? Don't you think that you have the potential to use it for your own? Don't you think that you can do something better for others? Don't you think that you have the energy, the likes of doing it? Were you forced to study MSc? Were you forced to study B.Ed? Were you forced to study whatever education you did? And if it was not a force, then if you have done it with interest, why don't you implement in finding a path to a success? Why you want someone else to take you? Are you a small kid? No, right? When you were in LKG, UKG, your parents might have held your hands and taken you to school. Why after this education you still think that you have to be shown a path? You really need that. Don't you want to be support of your parents? Don't you think that you have the capacity to do something on your own? Don't you think? And please don't tell that excuse, ma'am, we don't know what to do. Guys, if you don't know, ask. Guys, if you don't know how to do, ask. But at least ask. Don't sit thinking somebody should give me a job and then I should be doing it. Please, people, please come out of that. That's the reason we have put this session which is called Learn and Earn. Already you guys have learned. Implement it. Start earning. Stop giving excuses. There are ways of earning on a day-to-day basis. You can earn 1,000, at least 100, at least 50. Isn't it? Don't you want to do? Don't you want to lead by an example? Do you want to be always under the shadow of somebody where somebody has to keep on telling you do this, do this, do this, do this, and only then you want to do? Don't you feel hungry on your own? If you feel hungry, do you wait your mother to come and feed you, or you feed on your own? If you are feeding yourself, then you should be working on yourself. If you are feeding on your own self, then you should definitely be working on your own self. Don't stop and don't be dependent on your parents. Be a proud child of your parents. They should be thinking that yes, we have given birth to somebody whom they are proud of. Let them be known as your parents and stop being called as somebody else's child. Give them proud moment of parents when they are still there with you. They must have sacrificed so much to get you to this place. All parents do the sacrifices. The moment a couple become a parent, the first thought they get in their mind is what my child needs. What I should be giving him next. పిల్లలు పుట్టిన తర్వాత తల్లిదండ్రి అయిన వెంటనే వాళ్ళ గురించి ఆలోచించడం మానేస్తారు. వాళ్ళు ఫస్ట్ ఆలోచించి పిల్లల కోసమే. 100 వస్తే 99 రూపాయలు పిల్లలకే పెడతారు. 1 రూపాయి వాళ్ళ కోసం కూడా ఉంచుకోరు. ఆ 1 రూపాయి కూడా పిల్లల కోసం దాచి పెడతారు, మళ్ళీ అడుగుతాడేమో అని చెప్పేసి. అంతేకాని ఆ 1 రూపాయలో నేను తిందామనే ఆలోచన వాళ్ళకి రాదు. కానీ ఆలోచన మీకుందా? నేను వాళ్ళకి చేసి ఇవ్వాలనే ఆలోచన మీకుందా? ఈ ఓపెన్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ ఓపెన్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఎలా వాడుకోవాలనేది మీరు ఆలోచన. ఓపెన్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ అంటే అర్థమైందా? ఈ పిక్చర్ ని చూస్తుంటే ఓపెన్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ అనిపిస్తుంది. ఓపెన్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ అంటే ఏంటిది? మీ బ్రెయిన్, మీ బుర్ర. దీంట్లో ఇంత నాలెడ్జ్ ఉందండి, అది వాడుకోవడం తెలియాలి మీకు. తెలియకపోతే అడగండి. ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు ఎప్పుడో ఒకసారి అయితే ఇదే స్టేజ్ ని క్రాస్ చేశారు. మీరు అదే గుంతలో పడి నేర్చుకోవాలని అవసరం లేదు. ఆ గుంత ఎట్లా దాటాలో తెలుసుకోండి. ఈ పాండమిక్ వచ్చిందని దాన్ని ఒక ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ గా వాడుకోకండి. ఇదే పాండమిక్ ని ఒక మంచి రీజన్ గా వాడుకొని ఇంకొకటి చేయండి. సో మెనీ డెవలప్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ డ్యూరింగ్ దిస్ పాండమిక్. డిడ్ యూ బిలీవ్ దట్? డిడ్ ఎనీబడి థింక్ అబౌట్ ఇట్? What was never thought that India can do, India is producing. Are you going through the newspapers? Are you going through the technologies that have been developed during this pandemic situation? So that means you are not taking the pressure. You are in a comfort zone. You are thinking, oh, I'm getting my food. What I need? A blanket to cover myself and sleep. And I'm sleeping. Wake up, my dear friend. Wake up. Are you willing to wake up? Are you willing to influence somebody's life? Are you willing to influence that somebody who is available to you, opposite to you in the mirror? Because if you can't influence your own self, how will you influence others? Ask this question to yourself. Am I audible and am I making you think that yes, this is a right question ma'am is asking? Do you want to really believe this? Do you really want to believe this change happening? Then only you can do it. Tell me this. Do you want to do this change? I'm waiting for a response. Only if I get your responses, we'll continue further. Otherwise, we'll say, okay, fine. It's okay. We can have a chit chat session. We can happily enjoy with each other for another 45 minutes because that time you have committed to me and I have committed this time. But no, we have not come here for a chit chat. Learning is really essential for our existence, guys. Why? You might have done whatever education you did. Maybe it was not of your passion, but there is a passion in each person. There is something which in everybody. Let me talk about me. I did my intermediate with BPC. Then I was not interested with BPC. Then I moved on to become a BCom graduate. Somehow, because after BPC, the only option available to me was BCom. I thought at that point of time, we had very limited information. So I thought BCom is the best option available. Had I knew that there was more, I might have tried something else. But I thought BCom is best. And then I moved from BCom to do an MBA. From MBA, I jumped into a school teacher job. From school teacher, I went into a college as an administrator. From college, I went to handle a computer institute for 9 to 10 years. Again, I went back to an MNC. Nothing of this was my passion, but all of them were my need or forced. By force, I was doing. Whatever you are doing, if you are forced to do, then find out what is leading you with the passion. Today, what I'm doing is my passion. Today, when I'm able to guide youth, today, when I'm able to guide ladies, today, when I'm able to guide boys, today, when I'm able to talk to people and give a solution to their life, that is my passion. That makes me really happy. That makes me really satisfied from inside. And it is also giving me recognition. People are recognizing me, right? When you're being called as Pink Circle Association Joint Secretary Amita Sharma, that Amita Sharma of so-and-so is like, wow. Don't you want yourself to be called something like that? Learning is a lifelong process, but you have to learn something which you enjoy. Now, all this education you must have done. All this education is not waste. Don't think education is waste. This education has given you the idea what next you can do. But are you using that idea is the question you should ask yourself. Or are you just relaxed thinking, wow, I'm done. I'm enough. I have done at least a MSc. My parents have paid my fees. I'm done with this. What next? Why should I work? Are you happy working for 8,000, 10,000, 15,000 salary? Being called yourself as employee of somebody, or do you want to become a boss? Tell me this. Tell me this, if you want to become a boss, or do you want to, or are you happy with being called as an employee of somebody? Boss. So many people want to become boss. Nice. And what is the action you are taking, my dear friend, to become a boss? Have you tried anything? See, when I ask you question, you may be thinking, ma'am is asking me so many questions. But don't you think this question should have been raised long time before, not today? ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ మిమ్మల్ని మీరు చాలా రోజుల ముందు అడిగి ఉండాల్సింది. మీరు ఎందుకు వస్తారు ప్రతి ఒక్క దానికంటే యూ వాంట్ టు బికమ్ ఏ ఫ్రీలాన్సర్ బ్రహ్మయ్య, ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. Tell me in which field you want to become a freelancer. Maybe I can guide you. Don't worry, because even I am a freelancer. Most of us are freelancers here. So what I was about to say is, did you ask this question to yourself? How can I become a boss? Who will make me a boss? Is somebody else going to come and appoint you as a boss? Nagamani, you want to become a best teacher? Yes, you have to work hard for it, right? You have to work hard to become a teacher. And the best teacher needs little bit extra from your side. That extra will make you the best. Now, this is your option, my dear friend. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ చేయించారు, చేసేసాము. తిండి పెడుతున్నారు, తింటున్నాము. పడుకోవడానికి టైం వచ్చింది, నిద్రపోతున్నాం. లేకపోతే మనకు డే అంతా ఫోన్ ఎలాగో ఉంది, వాట్సాప్ టైం పాస్ చేసుకోవడానికి. మీరు దేనికి వాడుతున్నారు అదే ఫోన్ని? ఆ ఫోన్లో చాలా పనులు చేసుకోవచ్చు. మీకు ఐడియా ఉందా? ఎన్ని ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి మీకు ఐడియా ఉందా? అసలు ఆలోచించారా ఏం చేసుకోవచ్చు? ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ లేని ఆపర్చునిటీస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. మాట వరుస కంటలని నిజంగానే ఉన్నాయి. ఆలోచించారా? అసలు అనుకున్నారా? అసలు ఏం చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు? ఊరికే మాట అంటే నాకు జాబ్ దొరకట్లేదు, నాకు జాబ్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు. ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుందండి జాబ్? ఎందుకు వస్తుందండి జాబ్? జాబ్ కోసం ఎందుకు కష్టపడుతున్నారు? జాబ్ కోసం ఎంత చదువుకున్నారు మీరు? ఒక జాబ్ కోసం, ఒక 10,000 కోసం ఇంత ఎన్ని లక్షలు పెట్టేసి చదువుకొని వచ్చారా? ఆలోచించుకున్నారా దీని గురించి? You want to become freelancer in research, Brahmaya? Fine, then do that. No, what is stopping you from becoming that? What is that? What is the hindrance? Find the path. Go to the people. Start using Google. Do that. Google is the best research officer available to you. You don't have to beg, borrow, steal from the knowledge from anybody. You have to develop your knowledge. You have to learn the skills to make sure that yes, this gives you a better opportunity. My dear friend, if you are an MSc student or if you are a B.Ed guy, whatever may be, but if your interest is to become a mechanic, a vehicle mechanic, that doesn't mean you can't become. Your education should not be a hindrance in your passion. Your education should not stop you from taking any type of new roads. Just because you have done B.Ed doesn't mean you have to become a teacher. If you want to become a teacher, no doubt, because you have really invested time on that. But if that was just done for the sake of doing, there are so many things we just do because of the flow. We don't know what is the output of it. We really are not happy with the output of it. But that doesn't mean you don't do it further, right? Find out the path. It is never too late until it is begun. Until you begin it, it is never too late. It is always late. It is never too late until you begin, it is not late. But if you are only thinking, then it is always late. Always late. When you keep postponing, the day never comes, my dear friend. You have to face today. Now, after this session, you don't have a chance to say, I don't have an opportunity. Don't you have a brain? If you don't have a brain, then you are, God bless you. But if you have a brain, then please start using. Ask people if you really want to do it. Again, see, somebody is asking me if I have openings for software jobs. What software jobs can you do? See, I'm telling the same thing. In last 15 minutes, we all have been speaking the same thing, that don't think of stopping yourself from. You have a knowledge, implement, give that knowledge to somebody. Utilize from your knowledge. Start earning from your knowledge. You already have a knowledge, my dear friend. Start earning from it. What openings you want? In this pandemic situation, you will not be paid more than 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. Is that sufficient for you? Are you happy with that? This particular screen now, please take a screenshot of it. I have not stopped screenshot, so you can take it. You have to remain relevant. Today's scenario, what requires? Implement that. Today's scenario, if you have a need, then that is a business opportunity. Because if you need, say morning you wake up and you want to make a tea, you have to have tea, right? For example, or coffee or milk, whatever it may be. Just because people want to have breakfast, just because people don't want to cook at home, but they want to eat breakfast, tiffin centers have opened and every nook and corner of the city. Do you agree to that? Yes, do you agree? Do you go to tiffin center and get a tiffin packet for yourself, an idli packet for 20 rupees and bring it? That was the opportunity of the need. Because somebody needed it, so somebody started. Because Ola, some person was not able to get vehicles to travel, he got the thought, as I am not getting, somebody else may not be getting as well. So he created an app with the help of his friends and he started it. Apple was not created just like that, and one day it didn't grow. So many companies, whichever company must have come into existence, have come because of the need of that particular individual at that point of time. I will share an example, Nagamani, don't mind. Somebody has mentioned here, Madam, in Corona time, nobody is helping to private teachers. I got a testimonial with me. I'll share it with you guys. There was a person by name Santosh who attended one of my webinars, okay, very recently, just last month. And after attending, he is also a private teacher, school teacher only, okay. After attending this webinar, in which we were talking about one of the skills, how to develop themselves, he has created an app. Did he come back and tell me, Madam, I did not have an opportunity to do something? He came back and he thanked us, saying that because of this particular webinar, I was able to think about myself. This is the time to go inside, not just outside. Don't think of the opportunities outside in the world. Go inside you. You have a brain. Go inside you and think what changes you can bring. And he has actually created an app for doing online shopping. He didn't wait for someone to give. Please tell any free training institutes are emerging technology like AI, blockchain technologies. You think free something is given is having value? You think something which will come free will have a value? Just think about on your own. So prepare for the unexpected, very important. Remain relevant, as I said, because it was the need. The tiffin industry came up, the Ola industry came up, the Oyo industry came up. All these industries have come up, right? That same way, prepare for the unexpected. Unexpected, I will never get a job. So what I should do? How many more years you will sit and think to wait for a job? Will you be thinking only? Will you be waiting for the opportunity only, or will you do something? Please answer this. Please answer this. Will you be sitting and thinking, or will you be doing something? This is all the questions to yourself, my dear friend. If you don't answer, I feel that you people are not listening to me. And I'll start. What is the point? Shall I start singing a song then? Do something, right? Doing something. What is that you're doing, Ramya? Krishna says do something. Vajit says doing something. Excellent. If you guys are doing something, then that's really proud moment for yourself. You must pat yourself that yes, we are proud, we are trying something. At least you are better than those people who are complaining, kya karna hai, kya karna hai, em cheyali, ela cheyali. ఆగండి అడుక్కోవడం ఆపేసేయండి, చెయ్యండి, కష్టపడండి, కొంచెమన్నా కష్టపడండి. Okay, boost your profile, my dear friend. If you think this particular knowledge, education, skill sets, what you have is not sufficient, then develop, then learn. There are so many opportunities available to learn in the minimum investment, and that minimum investment you can start earning immediately, but earn with learning and developing your skills. Chala important. Learning photography online. Excellent, Ravi. I'm proud of you. If that is your passion, then you will do it marvelous in that, no doubt. Confidence, very important. Before other believes in you, you have to believe in yourself. Before other come back and say you can't do, you should think I am very much confident of doing it. You failed by trying, but don't fail in trying. Excellent, Krishnakant. He is sharing a quote. He says, fail by trying, but don't fail in trying. Yes, you remember that. I just recollected a story. I want to share it. There was a frog, right? And frogs are expected to be in the water or in the land. They are not climbing the mountains and all. So all the frogs were happily living. One of the frog was trying to climb a mountain. And all the other frogs were shouting at him, don't go, you can't climb, no, come down, you'll fall down, you will roll down, you'll come down, you'll fall. This frog was looking at them. He was looking at all the frogs and he was crying with more energy. Yeah, I should pick it up, I should go. He was thinking from his brain. By seeing his people down, calling him back, he was still putting more pressure to go. And after all the trials, he reached and he was showing from the top that I have reached. All these frogs were silently sitting and looking at him. And he was surprised that these guys, when I was going, they were all shouting. And now when I've reached and I'm saying I've reached, these people are not reacting. Actually, what those guys were shouting at him, can you guess? Actually, what those guys were shouting at him and why they did not react once he reached. Can you guess? Did you understand this story? Yes, Brahmaya got it correct. He says, you can't. All the frogs were telling him, పైకి వెళ్ళొద్దు బాబోయ్, పడిపోతావు వెనక్కిరా అని చెప్తుంటే ఇతనికి పాపం చెవుడు రాదు, వినిపి, he can't hear. Okay, so he was thinking all of them are encouraging him to go and go, and he happily tried his best to reach the hill. That's what you guys are supposed to do. That's what you are supposed to do. Stop. Your own mind must be telling you, you can't do, because you have a subconscious. We all have two lives, right? Two minds, right? The one mind will say, we can do it. The other, arey nahi yaar, you can't do it. This is not possible. Have you seen anybody else doing? These are the questions which the other mind, the subconscious mind, it will tell you, stop it. You can't do it. And the subconscious mind is more powerful than your active mind. And the subconscious mind will take over and you say, yeah, should I try? Can I do it? Is it possible? Oh, nobody has done it. If I try, what will people say? Sabse bada rog, kya kahenge log? The worst thing in the life is to think about the other people. Think about your family. Think about the person in the mirror. And the most important person should be the person in the mirror who is bothered about the family. The remaining society is immaterial, guys. If you are feeling happy of doing what you are doing, legal ways, ethical ways, society applicable, then just confidently go and do it. Don't expect others to appreciate you. They will never appreciate because they don't know. No, the problem is they don't know. How will they appreciate? Unless they have tasted it, they can't say it is good or bad. But you are trying something really new, so you have to be confident of doing it. Getting my point? అర్థమవుతుందా? అర్థమవుతుందంటే చెప్పండి. అర్థం అవ్వకపోతే మనం టాపిక్ మారుద్దాం. We will talk something else which will make you understand. చెప్పండి, ఇది అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇది అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదా? ఇది అర్థమవుతుందా? నాకు రెస్పాన్స్ వస్తే నేను నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్కి వెళ్తాను. అంటే నేను మిమ్మల్ని బలవంతం చేయట్లేదు రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వమని. ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే మీరు వింటున్నారో లేదో నాకు తెలియాలి కదా. నేను ఒక్కదాన్ని చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతే మీకు వినకపోతే అది వేస్ట్. నాకు ఇది తెలిసిన టాపిక్. ఇది నాకు అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదా? ఓ మై గాడ్, ఎవరికి అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదు? Thank you to all of you who is responding. Nagamani, somebody told me Ardham avatle. I would like you to respond back. First of all, I can't see your name because your name is not mentioned. Oh, Telugulo cheppala. Telugulo Ardham avatleda, Telugulo cheppalna. See, if you write one word, meanings are changing, my dear friend. If you want me to understand completely, either you write complete sentence so that Ardham avatledu Telugu antunnaru. Ippudu Telugulo cheppamantara, Telugulo cheppakudada? Adi cheppandi. Somebody is mentioning, చెప్పండి. ఓకే, తెలుగులో చెప్పాలి. ఆల్ రైట్. సో నేను తెలుగులో ఏం చెప్తున్నానంటే స్టోరీ మళ్ళీ చెప్పమంటారా? మరీ బోరింగ్గా ఉంటుందండి. వాట్సాప్లో చెప్తానులేండి. లెట్స్ కంటిన్యూ. ఏమంటారు? కానివ్వనా? నెక్స్ట్ స్టేజ్కి వెళ్ళిపోనా? అన్నిటికీ మోరల్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టోరీ ఏంటంటే అండి, మీరు చదువుకున్న దాని మీద మీరు శ్రద్ధ పెట్టుకున్నారు కాబట్టి ఇంతవరకు చదువుకున్నారు. నో డౌట్, ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు శ్రద్ధ పెట్టుకుంటేనే మీరు ఇక్కడి వరకు వచ్చారు. అది కాదు అంటే, అలా కాదు అనుకుంటే, అది మాత్రం సరిపోవట్లేదు అనుకుంటే దాన్ని పెంచుకోండి. ఆ నాలెడ్జ్ని ఇంకా కొంచెం ఎన్హాన్స్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, నాకు వచ్చిన తెలుగు ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను మాట్లాడడానికి. మీకున్న నాలెడ్జ్ సరిపోవట్లేదు. నేను చదువుకున్న డిగ్రీకి 100 మంది ఉన్నారు, వేల మంది అదే డిగ్రీ చేశారు. కాబట్టి నేను కొంచెం ఎడ్జ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉండాలంటే నా స్కిల్ సెట్స్ కొంచెం ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉండాలి. నాకు ఏది ఎక్కువ వచ్చో, ఏది మంచిగా అనిపిస్తే అది నేను డెవలప్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఆ ఉన్న చదువులోనే నేను అంత సాధించుకోవాలంటే అవ్వట్లేదంటే దాన్ని ఆపకూడదు కదా. జస్ట్ బికాస్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు అచీవ్ సంథింగ్ డజంట్ మీన్ దట్ యు స్టాప్ ట్రైయింగ్. Try away. Don't stop it. Don't give up. Don't say I can't do it. I don't say I'm not able to do it. This no, not able, all these excuses cannot be part of your life, because you have one brain, two eyes, two hands, two legs. You are very much capable of doing things. Only thing is you're not using your brain, you're not using your heart, you're not getting that confidence on yourself. So you have to get that. Once you get that, you can be conquering the world. Nobody can stop you, my dear friend. Nobody can stop you. I'm telling you, nothing can stop you. Only thing is you are stopping yourself by giving excuses to yourself. I am not inspiring. I'm talking very, very practical facts, because all this I have faced in my life. All this I was doing it for years together. Doesn't mean I did not try. Now when I'm trying, whenever I tried, 5 years back, 2 years back, 3 years back, whichever time I tried, I have tried it. I have achieved it. And that's the reason I can say you guys can achieve it too. See, what is the biggest motivation factor for us? Money. Whatever we want to do, we want to earn good money. Agree with me? మనకు అన్నిటికంటే ఎక్కువ కావాల్సిన లైఫ్లో మనం దేన్నైనా సరే సరే లైఫ్లో సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ కావాలంటే ఏం కావాలండి? లైఫ్లో సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ కావాలంటే ఏం కావాలి చెప్పండి? ఈ లైఫ్లో సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ కావాలంటే ఏం కావాలి? ఇలాంటి సెషన్స్ ఎన్ని వింటే సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ వస్తుంది? సెల్ఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ కావాలి. నాగమణి చెప్తున్నారు సెల్ఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ కావాలి. అంతేనా? ఒక నాగమణికి మాత్రం సెల్ఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ కావాలి, ఇంకెవరికి ఏమొద్దా? All the participants who are raising their hands, please be waited, please have patience. We will definitely allow each one of you to talk. We are waiting to hear from you. Thank you, Krishnakant. If it is really a meaning, I take your compliment from the bottom of my heart. It says Amita Sharma ma'am, motivated webinar. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm so sorry. Somebody has asked me a question, but I have missed out. I'm sorry, my dear friend. Please ask the question again. I definitely try to answer it. See, I'm trying to concentrate between the slide and talking to you and the chat. But I will definitely try to answer. Ask the question once again. First of all, I'm not able to get your name, my dear friend. So I'm unable to actually read your name as well. Somebody's question, ma'am, I already have asked a question, but you haven't answered for my question. I will answer. I'm sorry if I missed out, because there's so many questions coming up here and there. So I might have missed out. I'm sorry for that. Okay, but you can ask me again. In between, my question was, what is the first thing that motivates you? My dear friend, we all need money, right? We all need money. Whatever we may do, satisfaction comes with money. No, but that is only utility satisfaction. But utility satisfaction is really important. Psychological, spiritual satisfaction will take place only after utility. Only if your stomach is full, you can do charity to others. I am part of an NGO, right? As I've been introduction with an NGO. So I'm part of an NGO, but I will not take everything which I have and give it to NGO. What I will do, I will earn extra to make my NGO successful, isn't it? So my earning money is not limited to me alone. My earning money is also catering to my family needs, is also catering to my emotional needs of helping society. That is my emotional need. I really want to help people. So in that case, how will I do that? Only because if I'm able to do something extra. So earning money, you have to invest in your learning to start earning. Don't stop yourself for any reason. Ask people how you can do earnings. See, my slide says very clearly, money can't buy happiness, but it gives you security and safety. A beggar can't be asking for another thing, right? But if you have money, you will be more secure. You'll be able to take more risk. You'll say, okay, I can do this. I can try this. I have the knowledge. I should implement this. How you got the knowledge? Because you invested in learning the knowledge. So learning is helping you to earn. So this is how the cycle goes on. Your learning is helping you to earn. You're helping with your earning. You can help somebody else to learn. This is a cycle because money is necessary to obtain for goods. You have to have goods. You need to have food. You need to have a shelter. You need to cover yourself. You need to have clothes. All this, if all these necessities are fulfilled, then it can help you in developing other things. But if you yourself is dependent on others, how can you help? How can you say, I am not, my stomach is not full, how can I help others? The moment you, if you're hungry, for example, if you're hungry and a food plate comes in front of you, right? A food plate comes in. What will you do? You will try to fill your stomach, isn't it? Don't you want to fill your stomach? You will say, I have to eat first. Let me finish my eating, then I'll think. So you have to invest time and money to learn things. You have to develop your skill sets. If you develop, it will help you in earning. Nothing comes easy. Whatever education you have done, it wasn't free. Maybe scholarship. If it was scholarship, then you must be intelligent student to get scholarship. For that also you have invested your time. If you are not a scholarship child, then your parents have paid fees for it. So whenever you go for learning, invest your time and money. Only if you spend money, you will have value for it. You will know the way to earn. Even a small child is taught to earn with investment. Nothing comes easy, my dear friend. Nothing comes free as well. Don't ask. Stop asking for free, my dear friend. Why you want to ask for free? How much knowledge will you get in free? So many YouTube channels are available. Do you think they'll give everything in free? If they are giving everything in free, then why these types of courses are available? You keep searching and invest years together to get a knowledge. But if you pay a fee, then you're getting a customized course. You develop it immediately and you start earning immediately. What is more important? Time. Sometimes time is money. Sometimes time is more important than money. You have to invest your time at the right place to start earning at the right time. You got my point. You have to invest your time at the right place to start earning at the right time. Remember this. Don't keep searching on all the channels to get the answer, because all channels will not give you the right answer. Follow a particular person, follow a particular mentor, follow a particular path. When I asked you people, what is your education? Did anybody tell me I did BSc, BCom, MCom and then MSc? Is this qualification worth? No. When you do a BPC, then you do a BSc, then you do an MSc, then you do an MS. This is how you study. So one after another of the same field, right? You have to, if you want to go successfully, you have to follow a particular path. You can't say today I will learn from this teacher English and tomorrow I'll go and learn from another teacher English. No, you have to learn a particular subject from a particular person. Identify. If you are getting a knowledge with some investment of your time, very important here is time. You may pay fees, but if you don't invest your time, then your learning skills are not improved. So understand this. It's really important. It's really important that you invest money at the right time to start earning at the right time. After 45, after 55, if you think I want to do this, that maybe exceptional cases are still available. It's not that it is not possible. KFC was started by a person when he turned 60 because he failed so many times, but he failed from his young age. And then he was able to identify his passion. Now you don't, Madam, KFC appudu start chesadu 67 plus lo, appudu nenu kuda appudu varaku na passion vetukuntanu, appudu chestanu. Atanni oka example ga teeskoni meer anni mistakes cheyakunda daari telusukodam manchidi. Avuna kada? అతనిలాగా మీరు కూడా అన్ని మిస్టేక్స్ చేసుకొని నేర్చుకుంటామంటే ఎవరు ఫులిష్ అండి? అతనా మీరా? ఆలోచించుకోండి. మీకు మీరే ఆన్సర్స్ దొరుకుతాయి. ఇక్కడ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని ఒకవేళ మీరు రాసుకున్నారంటే మీకు అన్ని ఆన్సర్స్ మీ లైఫ్కి ఈరోజు దొరికిపోవాలి. ఆ తర్వాత మీరు అనకూడదు నా దగ్గర ఆన్సర్స్ లేవు, నాకు దారి దొరికట్లేదు, నాకు ఎవరు చెప్పలేదు, నేను ఓన్లీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ తీసుకొని ఆగిపోయాను, మా పేరెంట్స్ నాకు సపోర్ట్ చేయట్లేదు, పక్క వాళ్ళు లేరు. ఎందుకు పెడతారండి? పక్క వాళ్ళు, పై వాళ్ళు, ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు ఎన్ని రోజులు పెడతారు? పెడితేనే ఉండాలా? మీకు ఒక వచ్చేసింది కదా, వాడుకోవచ్చు కదా. ప్రతిసారి పక్క వాళ్ళ మీద డిపెండ్ అయితే ఎలా చెప్పండి? అవునా కదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? నాకు ఒక ఆన్సర్ వస్తే మళ్ళీ నేను నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్కి వెళ్తాను. ప్రతి స్లైడ్ తర్వాత క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. నాకు ప్రతి స్లైడ్ తర్వాత ఎందుకు ఆన్సర్స్ రావాలి మేడం అంటే నన్ను వింటున్నారో లేదో నేను ప్రతిసారి చెప్తున్నప్పుడు అలాగే అర్థమవుతుంది. Thank you for telling me true. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Maji said yes. Brahmaya says yes. And then Nagamani says yes. I think only few people are listening. Remaining all are sleeping or what? Guys, you're there? Guys, you're there. Come on, wake up. Come on, wake up. The bell is ringing. School bell. Ho gaya chutti. Right. Money gives freedom. Why freedom? What freedom does it? We got freedom in 1947. Madam, what freedom you are talking about? Thank you, Saideep. Thank you for telling me that you're listening. Thank you. Thank you, Nagamani, if you feel motivated with my words. Thank you. Srijna says, yes, ma'am. Right. So money gives us freedom. Why? Why money has to give you freedom? Because money is under, if you have money, then you are powerful. If you have money, then you have the chance to take decisions. If you have money, then you have chance to indulge in risk. If you have money, then you have chance to develop your hobbies into your passion to an earning aspect. This is the cycle, my dear friend. If you relax and say, yeah, I love to watch TV, then watching TV is not your hobby. It's wasting time. It's not your hobby. If you are doing some drawing, if you are doing some painting, if you are doing some cookery activities, if you are doing anything other than wasting time. Madam, I'm watching TV for 24/7. I wake up at 7 o'clock and 8:30, my phone is in my hand. Oh, you wasted 1.5 hours without phone? You have actually utilized 1.5 hours without phone, right? So the remaining time which you are sitting with the phone without utilizing it is the wastage of time. But if your phone is a part of way of earning, money is very, very important. Why we have to keep talking about money? Because without money, you cannot survive. Without money, you can't fulfill your dreams. Without money, you can't have a security. These are the pillars. These are the reasons. These are the reasons for depressions. These are the reasons for success. These are the reasons for questions. These are the reasons for happiness. If you don't have money, you will not be able to face the people, my dear friend. If you don't have a path of doing things, you will not be able to face anybody. You will, oh my God, if any of your 4 friends come to your place, or if they call you, come, you will try to avoid them. Why? Because you don't have money. But if you have money, you will invite them. If you have money, you will try to do something and you will give them a chance to start earning as well. You become a motivator to others. You become a leader to others. You become a path of success for others. But you have to work hard for that. It won't come just like that. It will never come. Krishnakant, you're right. Money is the backbone of human life. I don't believe that, but money is important for it. Backbone of human life is your own backbone and your brain, my dear friend. If you are confident of doing, then you are confident of standing. Today, if your money is lost for some reason, but if your confidence is there with you, you can earn back. Yes, can't you earn back your money? You can earn back, but you should have that confidence. For earning back after loss, you should have the confidence. If you have the skills, Sujna is saying she is having interest in painting, then start a painting class. Talk to me, I'll guide you. Start a painting class. It's simple. See, becoming an entrepreneur is something which we all want to do. When Maitri ma'am started this session, she said, don't only learn, implement. If you have a talent, implement. How to implement? If you don't know, ask people. We are all here to guide you. Simple as that. But you should implement. Are you ready to actually change your life? Tell me that. This is almost coming to an end of the session, and I say I believe in this. You have to first learn, then earn, and then show others. Show to your family. Show to yourself that you are capable of doing it. So be ready to learn, be ready to earn, and then show it to others. See, this is very clear, my dear friend. You can take another screenshot of this if you want to, that yes, all this is required for you to actually, you have to, people will anticipate. You yourself will anticipate. You yourself will not have the confidence. You have to challenge yourself. You have to challenge yourself. If you're learning and earning, both are important for you. Both are important. You just can't earn without learning. Even if you go for a job, no, even if all of you are willing for a job, even if you go for a job, you have to be extra to get a promotion. You have to be better to become a team leader. End of the day, you're still learning, but for someone else, to make someone else happy. Here, if you learn, it will be happiness for yourself. You will be the boss of you, and you can guide and give employment to many more people. What makes you more happy, being self-employed or doing a chaplaincy of others? See, I believe in this because I have worked for so many years, and I can proudly say job is not something which you should be looking out for. Try to become your own boss. Try to be independent. Ask and find the ways of becoming independent. Follow this brain has got all this. It will stop you, it will decide, it will interpret, it will say, no, this is not possible, stop it, stop it, stop it. It will say, no. You say, you shut. Ask your brain to shut up. Ask your brain not to interpret. Ask your brain not to tell anything negative. Ask your brain not to interfere in your decisions. Say, I am telling. Your subconscious mind should be like silent. The subconscious mind should not interpret in between. She said, silent. I am taking a decision. You just follow me. The moment you start ordering your subconscious mind will become silent, and your active mind will start taking decisions for you. This is all dependent on you. Nobody else can do it. Your parents may say 1,000 things. Your teachers may say 1,000 things. But if you don't believe that whichever learning skills I have developed can be a part and reason for my earning, then this is what you have to start developing yourself. Do you agree to this? Anticipating, I don't like that word only. So I don't even like to pronounce it. It's like that. You keep negative anticipating, now it's very bad. I can't do it. Is it possible? Am I able to do it? Should I be doing it? Guys, please stop doing that. Please. You get confidence. That's why these types of webinars are conducted. That's why we are here to guide you to do something on your own. That's why we are here to tell you, you can do it. Now today, when you go back after this session, write it in whichever place you may be. You may have a small corner for yourself, right? A small corner in the house, maybe for yourself. Write on a piece of paper, I can do it, and paste it there. And each time you pass from that particular wall, you should be able to read it. What it says, I can do it. And the moment you read, I can do it, you should say, oh yes, I can do it. And it should give back that energy back to you. I can do it. I should do it. It's mine. I have to do it. It's my dream. I have to fulfill it. It is my interest. I am doing it. I am responsible for it. Nobody else is responsible. So if you want to learn anything, find out. If you are not able to identify, ask us. We are here to guide you. So ask us, ma'am, this is my interest. How can I develop it? Sir, this is what I want to do. How can I do it? Ask us. We will definitely tell you how to do that. I just want to ask one question here. Are you guys connected with us on WhatsApp? Are you guys connected with us on the WhatsApp? If not, then you can get connected with us on the WhatsApp. That will be really good, because we have so many people of you want job opportunities, right? So since Raghupati sir is associated, and then Maitri ma'am is there, and myself also, we can help you out with job opportunities, which we are really not interested, because we want each one of you to be independent, no doubt in that. But if you guys really want to get connected with us, then please save our number so that you can actually guide us. I mean, we can actually guide you in getting some type of opportunities. Now you can read this. You develop your skills based on your abilities, improve your knowledge, and start giving value to yourself. Does that make sense? Does this screen make sense to you? This is our WhatsApp number. You can connect on this. This screen, which is very clear. Guys, I have been talking skill. What skill set should we improve, ma'am? How do we improve, ma'am? How to get it? I'm telling you, others cannot find for you. If you are feeling hungry, you only will know that you are feeling hungry. Will I or anybody else know? No, we can't know, right? But we are telling you, food is cooked there. You can go and pick it up, whatever you like to pick it up. We are helping you where the food is available. We are trying to help you where the screen set is, where the opportunities are available. We are telling you where you can develop your skills. We are telling you where you can put your abilities in place and your knowledge to start earning. If you want that, if you think this is helping, then implement it. The most important word. After you write, no? After you write, today I want that. If possible, send me a picture on the WhatsApp. Ma'am, that I did this. That will really make me happy that yes, if I'm able to do that. If I'm able to make you do that. Today, after this session, 15 minutes back, after maybe another 15 minutes, we'll finish it off. If you are able to do that, what you have to do? Two things. One, write on a piece of paper, I can do it. And under that, beneath that, write it, implementation. Two papers తీసుకోవాలి. ఒక దానిపైన నేను చేయగలుగుతాను అని రాయాలి. సెకండ్ ఏంటి? నేను చేస్తాను, నేను చేయగలుగుతాను అన్నది ఐ కెన్ డూ ఇట్. ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ నేనే చేస్తాను అనేది రాసి అది ఒకటి కింద ఒకటి పెట్టండి. ఆ పేపర్ ఇలాగే తీసి పెట్టండి. పెట్టేసి మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చినా పోయినా మీకు ఆ పేపర్, లేదా కూర్చున్నా మీకు ఆ పేపర్ కనిపించేటట్టు మీరు పెట్టుకోవాలి. పెట్టుకున్నారే అనుకోండి, అది ఇంకా మిమ్మల్ని నిద్రపోనియదు. ఆ పేపర్ మిమ్మల్ని ప్రతిసారి క్వశ్చన్ వేస్తుంది. నువ్వు చెప్పావుగా చేస్తానని, మరి ఎందుకు చేస్తలేవు? నువ్వు చెప్పావు కదా చూసుకుంటాను, ఎందుకు చూస్తలేవు? నువ్వు చెప్పావు కదా నేను చేయాలి, మరి ఎందుకు చేస్తలేవు? ఆ పేపర్ మిమ్మల్ని మీకు క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తుందండి. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఇప్పటివరకు మిమ్మల్ని మీరు వేసుకున్నారో నాకు తెలియదు, కానీ వేసుకోలేదు అని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఇప్పటి నుంచి వేసుకోవాలి అని నేను కోరుతున్నాను. అగ్రీ? అగ్రీ? ఆర్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు make some change? Then tell me. You know this gentleman, right? Mr. Bean, when he was actually going around the world asking for job, he was discarded. People never bothered to look at him. They were like, you can't do it, you are just not worth doing anything, just go away. ఇలా మాట్లాడారు. మాట్లాడినందుకు అతను ఏం చేశాడు? అతనే స్టార్ట్ చేసుకున్నాడు ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఆపాడా? ఆపలే. అతను స్టాప్ చేసుకున్నాడా? చేసుకోలేదు కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు అతను ఒక బ్రాండ్ అయ్యాడు. He is there, he is not there, immaterial. People talk about him. That's how you should make your brand. You have knowledge, my dear friend. You have knowledge, you have skills, you have abilities. Only thing is you are not implementing. Only thing is you are waiting somebody else to do it. Only thing is you want somebody else to push you. Do it. ఒక నదిని ఏమంటారు తెలుగులో? రివర్. ఒక రివర్ దగ్గర వెళ్ళారు అనుకోండి, మిమ్మల్ని ఆ వాటర్ లో తోసేస్తే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? తప్పకుండా స్విమ్ చేసుకుంటేనే బయటికి రావాలి, అంతేగాని మళ్ళీ ఆ రివర్ మిమ్మల్ని బయటికి పారేయదు, మీరే బయటికి రావాలి. అవునా కదా? ఇప్పుడున్న సిచ్యువేషన్ అలాంటిది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ రివర్, యు ఆర్ ఇన్ టు ద రివర్. నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్విమ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. So to swim out of it, you have to do one thing. I told two things, right? One is write it on the paper, implement it, and then go inside you. See what talent you have. See what you are best at it. See what motivates you. See what you enjoy doing it, and just start doing it. Just implement. That should be a part of your learning and earning. Very important. That should be a part of your learning and earning. We can't say more than this. Why? Because you people are all grown up, right? You people are all grown up. So you people know how you can do it. So I just want to ask, are you happy that you came today? Did it make any difference to your life? Are you happy that you came today and attended this webinar? Thank you. Happy. Brahmaya says happy. Somebody says yes, madam. Thanks, ma'am, for letting me know. Glad it was so well received. Thank you, Sujna. Thank you, Vajid. Thank you, Galaxy J5. Oh my God, somebody has Galaxy. Saideep, happy, madam. Excellent. Even I'm happy, guys. I'm happy. Inspired. Krishnakant says inspired. Krishnakant, you have been sending beautiful messages. I got answers to my questions, Siri. Thank you, Siri. Thank you. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that all of you got some insight from something. I'm so happy with it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So I just want to, if you want to know about me, then I have small information about me, then you can know about it, or you have already heard me. Thanks, madam, for giving wonderful information. Believe it, trust me, implement it. Just don't listen to it. Implementation is really important. Thanks for impressive motivation, ma'am. Mahesh, always welcome, my dear friend. Try to get connected on the WhatsApp. Probably it will help you more because I keep sharing such motivational messages, inspirational talks. Whatever I learn, I try to give it to others. Whatever I have got it in this last 22 years of my experience, I try to share it with others. So probably it should help you as well. And I want success stories from you coming back to me saying that, ma'am, your webinar has actually motivated me to do this. And that will be like mind blowing day for me. I want you people to give me that happiness, not just listening and saying. So anyway, this is something little information about me. If you people want to get connected with me, then you have my WhatsApp number. You can get connected easily. I've given somewhere in the chat. Just look into that. This is my support system, my very, very best friend, and she is whole and soul with whom I'm working. Thank you. Thank you for making me understand that my webinar is valuable to you and it is going to change you. I'm happy for that. So she is having 18 years of experience and she is a life and soul. And she's a financial consultant. She's a business coach based at Mumbai. But more than that, she's a beautiful person with a beautiful heart. And we both are working really hard together to make sure we can change youth. To make sure that we both are able to give something back to the society. If we are able to make little change in the people present today, we will be really happy. I'm not sure if Manisha was able to join today because of some technical issues. She's from Mumbai and there's heavy rain over there. So I'm not really sure if she was able to join. But if she was there, I would have asked her to join and have a chat with you guys. This is our Facebook and other profiles. You can get connected with us. Most important, friends, most important. Above all, don't regret the chances that you have not taken. Today is the day for you to decide. Today is the day for you to say, okay, this is what I wanted to do, ma'am, and I'm able to do. If you can't do it, then you are not losing. Your parents are losing because they have a lot of hope on you. More than the hope you have on yourself, your parents have on you. And if you want to make them feel proud, then this is the time you should say, I'm not letting go this chance. I am going to do this. I want to implement it. It is going to change my life. These are the 3 things you have to tell to yourself. You will not let go this chance. You are implementing and you will do it. Promise me that. And I'm waiting for those pictures on my WhatsApp where you have put up, I can do it and implement it. Send to me on my WhatsApp. I 100% want to see. See, when you are giving a commitment, no, you should implement it. When you are giving a commitment, you must say, yes, this is what I want to do it. So be proud of it, yeah. Come on, do it. I say thank you for this opportunity once again. And here I stop my sharing my screen. And that's it, friends. I hand it over back to Raghupati sir. And if you have any question answers, you can ask me. I hope I'm able to make some changes, some improvement, some change in your life. Thank you, Nagamani. You guys want to speak anything? You want to ask anything? Then I'll allow you to talk. Somebody was raising hand. Brahmaya wants to speak something. Chintu has raised hand. Some questions were there. Let me just check in the question answer session. 2 questions were answered already. Okay. Ma'am, somebody has answered this. Yeah.
Thank you, Amita Sharma Garu.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much for the valuable session. Even I have been listening to what you are sharing.
Thank you, ma'am.
And it was really very motivational. And I really hope all the candidates will definitely implement what you have said. And I think by tomorrow mostly, because tomorrow is festival, let's give them exemption. By day after tomorrow, definitely by Sunday, everyone will definitely show you the WhatsApp pictures with you. Share their pictures with you.
Yeah.
Definitely, ma'am. And thank you very much for sharing your valuable information and your knowledge and everything, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much.
It's our pleasure. And thank you for helping our candidates, ma'am. Because
they are ours now.
Our final goal is to help them to reach their goals.
Yes.
And to make something of their lives.
Correct. So yes, many of them were asking about jobs. I've been telling them, stop thinking about jobs. Not required. You have so much of talent.
People want only government jobs. Being in government, I know, ma'am. Even Raghupati has an idea what a government job entails, because it was not as in the 90s or before 90s, ma'am, to be
Yes,
frank.
madam.
Because firstly, people want to join government jobs for the sake of pension. There is no pension now. Whatever you save, that is what you get at the end. That's all. You're not going to get
Yeah.
any pension.
It's not easy. It's actually
It's
not
not easy.
easy.
No, pension is not there now. From 2004, pension system has been cancelled. So whoever gets job now,
Yeah.
their salary will be cut, salary will be deducted, and that only you will get at the end at the retirement. That's all. You won't get any pension. And secondly, most of them think that being in a government job, you can sit at home and do anything. But let me tell you guys, government job is now more tougher than private job. At least in private job, you get result as per your work. But in government job, though you do any work, you get the limited salary only. I know one of my colleague, he is handling 5 departments, but salary he is getting only of 1 department. He looks after youth, employment, minority, and civil supplies, and he is also a part-time planning officer. He is doing 5 duties, but he is getting salary only 1. For his wife delivery, he has gone only in the morning. He didn't even get a leave being in government job. I think now you can understand how tough government job these days are. So please, I don't say don't try it, because if you try, if you succeed, your family will be happy finally. But don't think that it is my goal and if I can't reach it, life is over. Because I know many candidates who are wasting their time doing nothing and sitting in the areas of that Ashok Nagar and everywhere. Because I have seen many people while I was preparing. I too prepared, but after coming into this, I got to know what it is actually. So my serious suggestion is do something. Prepare yourself, but do something also. Meanwhile. Okay, thank you very much, ma'am, for your valuable suggestions.
Thank you, ma'am.
Over
Thank
to
you
Raghupati.
so much.
Yeah, thank you,
Yeah.
madam. Thank you for your wonderful session and for your support always. And also, we are expecting the same in the coming days. I mean, next month also, we are expecting your support.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. We will take up.
So, I request to everybody who are participated today, please utilize, please implement the talks, whatever the madam said now. Just implement the your plans, your decisions, your goals, whatever you decided today. And now you don't think about not only jobs. Jobs is there always jobs is there. But try to think something innovative to which is help to others also. So that was a very wonderful session, and it's very informative to everybody. Really, I enjoyed it a lot, and I
Thank you,
hope
sir.
say conclusion now. So all the best, everybody, and thank you very much once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, guys, I hope we will end the session now. If anybody has anything, you can get connected with us on the WhatsApp. Raghupati sir is also there on the WhatsApp. So you can get connected and we will try to answer your questions there. Okay. Thank you, each one of you, for spending your time with us. Thanks, dear. Thank you so much. Thanks. Bye-bye. I end the session, ma'am. Thank you.